Welcome back everyone to Bark and Skin. I'm Jamie, still here on the Costa del Hammock in Spain. Today I'm on a paid campsite as I had some work to do, and they've got Wi-Fi and they've got electrical sockets which are really hard to find in the woods. So this is a quick video that I'm re-recording to try and get better audio quality with less lag. So let me know in the comments how the audio is. But this video is all about how to use your hammock as a lounge and tips that I've learned living in this hammock. First things first, this is my standard sleeping thing that you may have seen in other videos. It's a budget sleeping bag and an insulated mat, and to change it into lounge mode, I simply turn that around. So I get out of it, I hang it over the top to air out, dry out for a little bit, and then when I want to chill in the hammock, then I turn it around 90 degrees and dangle it over the side here and fold it beneath me. And with this legendary 14-pound hammock that I absolutely dearly love, one of the really good things about it is it's got lots of fabric. It's very wide, right? So that makes for an excellent sofa. It's the most comfortable sofa. So tips. The different layers that I bring on all my adventures, I simply have learnt to put them beside me like this, and then they act as side tables, and whatever I've got, whatever I'm working on, I can just put it there fine, and it's not going to go anywhere. In a hammock, if you lose anything, it's going to go to the lowest point, right? It's going to sink down to the bottom, and that means that if you lose anything in a hammock, it's under your bum, guaranteed. And a quick tip is that the quickest way to find it is to actually reach around underneath the hammock fabric, and then you can feel beneath your insulated pad and everything like that. You're like, oh, my phone's there, great, and you get it, yeah? So, that's going to happen. This here is a really important part of being comfortable, I think, and there'll be a video on modding your hammock, personalizing it, customizing it, coming shortly. But this is a ridgeline. People call it a hammock ridgeline or a structural ridgeline because it's built into the hammock. I've attached it to the hammock, so it's nice and taut. But what that means is I can attach things to it. So, I've got various things here attached within easy reach that aren't going to end up under my bum, that I might need. One day maybe I'll need these sunglasses again. This is just one of those waterproof bags, a little clip one, and they're really handy because of course there would be a light shower to keep things dry as well, electronics and stuff. This is very important. This is my adjustable beer holder. In the night and in the day it has my power bank in it and my phone, usually if I'm not talking to you guys or working on it. And then on the other side, I've got more stuff. It's all just out the way, right? It's easy reach, out the way. This actually is really good. I've got a banging sound system. This is like a little gorilla tripod. And when I went to get this tripod I'm talking to you on to do these videos, I got this and I thought, oh, that would be absolutely amazing on the ridgeline. And it's great because it means that you can put your phone in it and watch YouTube, whatever you're going to watch, without having to hold the phone constantly. So the ridgeline is really, really good, really important, and that's about it. It seems simple, but it took me a little while to learn all that stuff. I'll give you a bit more of a look here at the whole setup. If you need to dry anything or air anything out, you can hang it on the sides there. This here is all part of the ridgeline, so do watch the mods video. It gives some great advice on how to set up your hammock for sort of everyday use. And the last thing is, you can see here how I've got the sleeping pad and bag, and when you get in, if you just take the time to pull that out so the pad's under your knees, it's much more comfortable, and then just push that out like that and you're good to go. Really comfortable and a great way to use the hammock. If this has been useful for you, please like it. If you'd like to see more content like it, then of course subscribe. And if you've got a mate who's got a hammock, then why not share it with them? If you've got any questions or any ideas about future content you'd like to see, I'd love to hear it in the comments. See you in the next video.